In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your website's look by logging into Hostinger and navigating through the website builder to apply a new theme or template. We'll walk through each step carefully so that by the end of this guide, you'll have a beautiful, customized website that's ready to go live. To start off, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the login button, which is usually found at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials, your username or email and password accurately, and click Login to access your Hostinger dashboard. If you're having trouble remembering your password, most platforms offer a handy password reset feature which you can use before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you will see several different options, but for today, we're interested in the website builder. Click on this option to open it up. Now, this builder is really user-friendly and designed to accommodate everyone from novices to seasoned web developers. With the website builder open, your next move is to head over to the section labeled either Design or Themes. This section is key to transforming the look and feel of your website. As you navigate to this part of the builder, take a moment to think about what kind of theme or aesthetic you want for your website. Whether you're building a personal blog, a business site, or a portfolio, having a clear idea of your desired style can help guide your selections. Now comes the exciting part, choosing your new theme or template. Browse through the available options. Hostinger's builder typically offers a wide array of themes, from minimalist and modern to more elaborate and colorful designs. Click on any theme that catches your interest to preview it. This is an excellent chance to visualize how your content might look with this new design. Take your time here because selecting a theme is a critical step in ensuring your website's style matches its intended purpose and audience. After deciding on the perfect theme, the next step is to apply it. Simply click the Apply button found near the theme. This will update your website's appearance with the new design. Once your theme is applied, it's time for customization. Within the builder, you can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to tailor the theme to your exact needs. This phase allows you to add a personal touch to your site, making it truly unique. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. Once saved, hit the Publish button, and voila! Your newly designed website is live for the world to see. Make it a habit to regularly check your site to ensure everything works and appears as intended. And that's all there is to it. With Hostinger's intuitive builder, updating your website's look is both easy and fun. Thanks for watching and happy designing!